Hey guys, so here I am drinking my Anare Happy Juice. I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, and I feel full of energy. Now, when I say I feel full of energy, I'm not saying like the Energizer Bunny, no. Just the right amount of energy. And I feel chill and calm and relaxed and level. This stuff is seriously amazing if you have anything going on with your serotonin or your dopamine. Now, it hasn't actually gotten rid of my anhedonia yet, but I do have faith that someday, if I keep drinking this stuff, my anhedonia will dissipate. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out. Like, it's only 8 something in the morning, and it is warm out already, so it might be super, super warm today. So I'm wearing my absolute favorite dress, my absolute favorite pair of earrings, and I have a green bikini on, a lime green bikini, which actually happens to be one of my favorite colors. Lime green and hot pink, those are my two favorite colors. And I managed to get them both in today, which is pretty awesome. I've never actually thought to wear a bikini with this dress before, but I don't care. If I go to the beach, I'll take the dress off, obviously. But yeah. I love this dress. It's a bar dress, but I don't care. I like to wear it just whenever because it makes me feel sexy and I really like it.